Ayoko na paulit mo.
Drexler, great reaction as he always has, and look at the underwater for the American, already rising in the first place.
What a great reaction time and what a wonderful underwater.
Lalaban tayo! Oh! Punitin ang sedula!
Yan ang kailangan ng imos. Oh,
Nakakasipag na ulan.
naulan. Nagwawalis.
Malunggay pandesal, lamian kayo. Lami kayo. Malunggay pandesal.
Malunggay pandesal, tagdosra, lamia og masustansya pa. Bili na oy. Papapdol, tangina mol. Aray kol, aray kupon. Recording yan.
Ginakop ko. Allah. Allah. Kabuhi. Kabuhi man gyapon eh. Kabuang. Sa manigid mo dapat. Isa. Sa man na kabuhi man gyud. Tanawa sa. Oh. Dito lang kami tol, basta. Saan punta tol? Sa amin tol. Ingat tol, ingat. Oh tol. Tama ako.
Yan. Ay, yung pagtira pala ni Yure.
From this.
Ano ba? Ayaw mo kumain ha? Mamamalo ka sa akin! Ikaw, kain ka! Kumain ka!
Sorry.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Learning New Things with Z. And for today's episode, Bodies of Water. Face the reality and smell the victory. And this body of water is called river. The river is composed by harmless chemicals that can be harmful to the Filipino citizens. But some people are immune to the system. But some people are not immune. So that's why they need to ride this e-bike. This e-bike is unique because the letter E is silent. But OMG, there's crooks in the river. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with a big...
Dugas kaya. Oh, tagak niya ni. Oh, tagak. Tagak niya ni. Kata.